Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable the one-handed mode on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to turn it on, we need to go to the settings, and then over here we need to scroll down and go to gestures. And over here we have one-handed mode. We can tap on this option, and here we can simply enable or disable this option. So there we go. First we need to scroll all the way down in order to create the shortcut. So first we need to enable the access button, which is over here. And then we can also go to accessibility button settings in order to manage it. I'm just gonna go and press got it, and you can press this option in order to enable the one-handed mode, and then you can simply scroll like so in order to manage the one-handed mode. There we go. Or just manage your device, just use it as you wish. And then if you want to turn off the one-handed mode, then you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen or tap anywhere above this app. So if I tap over here, then I will exit the one-handed mode. You can also press on this accessibility button as well. And that's it. You can also choose if you want to use the shortcut to pull screen into reach or to show notifications as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.